Welcome. If you want to set up alarm clock in your iPhone 12 Pro, at the first you have to open clock, then move to the alarm at the bottom and click here on the right upper corner. At the first we can set up the time. Next we can set the repeat for the Friday, for example, or Thursday. And of course we can change label of our alarm. Then we can change sound. For example, this one. And of course, very important to set up this nose. If you set up everything, you have to click one more time on the right upper corner to save. And as you can see, here we got our our alarm. Thank you guys for watching. Leave thumbs ups, comments, and subscribe to our channel. See ya!